In this video, I will show you step by step how to mark all emails as read in Gmail. So make sure to follow along and watch this full tutorial to learn how to clear unread messages, tidy up your inbox, and just make your Gmail account easier to manage. And before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is head over to Gmail and log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, you're going to see your current unread messages. If you come over to the left-hand side next to your inbox, this number is actually the number of unread messages. So you can see for myself, I've actually got 3,195. And of course, when you go through and click onto one, it's going to mark it as read, as you can see. But having over 3,000 unread messages is going to take a very long time to mark them all as read. Now, there is a way to actually mark all these as read. So what you want to do once you're in your Gmail is come up to the top left-hand corner, and you're going to notice this little select box. So if you actually give this a click, what it's going to do is select the emails in your inbox, and you can see all 50 conversations on this page are selected. Now, what you want to do is click here where it says select all conversations, and that's going to select all the conversations in your inbox. Once that's done, if you come up to the top, you can see we've got an icon here which says mark as read. Give that a click, and what it's going to do is come up with a window like this asking if you want to confirm the bulk action. So as you can see, this action will affect all of my conversations in the inbox. Click OK, and what's going to happen is going to get to work and start marking your conversations as read. Now, you can see I've obviously got quite a lot of conversations, so you can see that some conversations have been marked as read, but if you do have quite a lot of unread messages, then it might take a minute or two to fully mark those as read. So that is how to mark all emails as read in Gmail. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.